My people, hey, Northerners now, hey, Northerners they hot. As I talk to Nana, they don't plan to start protest. I know so now they want to protest against what? We relax. Now they don't start protest against Buhari concerning the boys wey miss. They say they call protest. Say now the name of the protest they don't tag am. Say now bring back our boys. They don't vex. I think say many of them even they are aware of the boys matter. My people now the Northerners don't come and say they don't agree. And now when I know why this thing they make me laugh because the time of Jonathan. You know, I remember our ex-president, President Jonathan, that period, now Buhari himself come outside, if they protest, because at that time, girls too miss, now vice versa. Now, and that period, now Buhari they protest, so say bring back our girls, bring back our girls. Now, in young people, don't they against them with the same similar matter. They say make him bring back their boys. Hey, wahala don't wear show. See, my people, this matter. No, it be like say una no they get the vibe where the vibe una. This same Northerners, now they against NSAS protest so. That period where SARS were they hot. Now them they against NSAS protest and they say no, say they want we want overthrow their president. So say they know they believe any NSAS thing. As they do. Now what's happen? No be them now. They go back. My people, NSAS this is even they learn work. The one where these people they plan. They charge her like battery because if they come outside, it no go be small matter. But me, I don't stand today. It no go work. It no go work. Oh. In fact, I don't turn. What did they record that woman name? Yesufu. I don't turn Yesufu assistant. It no go work. When we they cry our own cry, I be una there. They carry una head. They swear. Now una turn. I know they agree, oh. I bet me could sing with me. We no go agree, oh. We no go agree. Hey, we no go agree, oh. We no go agree. Buhari, don't do anything. We no go agree. Yes, so my people. I beg, see. I want to talk to my baby. You understand? I beg me bring my baby outside. My people, I dey introduce you to my new sugar daddy. You understand? My baby. See, they want overthrow you. They want overthrow you, but they don't say, me, I know they agree. See, these people, they still they learn. How dare una? Una know who this man be to me, my sugar daddy. Oh, baby, who go take care of me if they remove you from that seat? All my clothes, my shoes, my makeup, you know now. I beg, see, it no go work. I don't stand in the bar. Baby boo, if you catch anyone, see, call army, call military. In fact, join all the forces within Nigeria, attack them. You understand? I give you my support. In fact, use AK-47. No, AK-47 is small. Use AK-66. Now that one go even reach them very well. Una never see anything. No be that they shout before say, Buhari will rule forever. Buhari will rule forever. He go rule, oh, that rule. Now the rule itself never starts. He must rule this rule. He must rule it. Now una go taste una own medicine. Because I remember when this NSAS thing happened, my people, when NSAS people they give their reports. Not now say na lie, yo. Say they want evidence. Say make them send pictures, make a brief video, we go show say na true. They provide pictures, wait till they talk, they say na Photoshop. They even provide videos, wait till they talk, they say na montage. Na them sabi English pass. So now, please, Northerners, we want pictures, we want videos. We need evidence that will show that now this thing really happened. Una understand? Una never see anything. This thing just they start. We need evidence too because we don't believe. If we say these children that na excursion they go do. You know how school children they behave. They do and when are they school we go plan, gather money. If you be saying that wait till they do. So now you don't they accuse if it be wrong thing. So we need evidence. Baby boo. Baby Buhari, your baby is here, you understand? See, don't forget, AK-66. I don't want hear any bring back our boys protest. If I hear them, now me and una go wear same shoe. Una must endure this thing. This thing. This una see demon wey una carry put for that seat. Demon wey una use una hand create. Una go sit down with that demon until 2023. Una never see anything. No be only bring back our boys. I bet my people, another interesting matter dey here. Don't buy all those nodlers. They still dey learn work. I don't bring Instagram matter. One Instagram star. This one an Instagram celebrity. This one happen abroad. My people, nah, she don't go carry knife, stab her mother. He mama we born am. He carry knife, stab am, as if say no do am. The woman don't fall for ground, but at least she still there alive. You understand? And at that point, assuming they carry and go hospital, something good for still happen. But no, as the woman fall for ground, hey, now so this girl with that same knife carry the knife. They remove intestines, they remove the lungs, they wahala dey for who go school. All this one now, and they say na medical students. My people, so as she remove everything, so the woman just go. Una no go believe say even after everything, when she don't kill the mama, this girl go under shower, bath, like she wash the blood away. She dress up, say she get date with the boyfriend. This one pass juju. Assuming this thing happen for Nigeria now, we go say na juju. So because now white people now wetin una go call this one? Mental disorder. Una always they get name for English. Every time, my people, I beg, e get another thing wey shele. But that one, I want make una watch out for the video first. Let's go there.
Понимаете, что вы сделали? Вы почему убили свою маму? Вы убили свою маму? Вы сожалеете о том, что вы сделали?
That video wey una watch, una no see say the girl even dey act like person wey don kolo. Imagine they ask her question. She dey tell a goodbye, just dey laugh like person wey no even get conscience. Anyhow, she no get conscience. Person wey fit kill woman wey carry you for 9 months, you fit kill am. And now people come dey suspect say na the lawyer advise her make she dey laugh there for court. You understand? Because white people, once they see say you don dey misbehave small, they go come to say this one she no dey okay. So now the lawyer come tell her say okay, do this but if I be you, I go act normal because my people, mental prison no be like all those normal prisons wey una know. Hey, that one e dey very tough, very very tough. I'm not sure say this girl go even fit endure for there. So if I be her, I go even start the act normal. Hey, wahala. Her boyfriend too, na another one. How? No, because I dey sure say that guy dey aware of everything wey happen. You kill your mama, you dey go date. The boyfriend sabi wetin happen. Him sabi nothing wey person wan tell me. So that boy, they need carry am, interrogate am, know wetin. See, this kind pikin. See, now I dey understand why some people they abort. No, imagine say God dey show us the kind children where we go born before we born am. Some people no go get pikin because of all these things. See, make una dey very very careful. No be joke matter be this. This news now where they talk about na very serious matter. Careful how you dey train your pikin. I don't know where or abi the mama dey vex am every time abi wetin happen, but I still no believe say it needs lead to killing. But make una dey careful. The kind school wey una dey put una children too dey matter. See person na just die. Ha! If I be this woman, I go make sure say my spirit hunt this girl. I dey tell una, serious matter. This one a sad news. No be joke. I beg my people. Enough of the sad news, yo. We get another Nigeria wahala for here. This one now from our federal government. These people no will kill us. Now federal government don't come. In the auto say they don't approve 5 years plan. 5 years to reduce hunger in Nigeria. And according to the spokesman of the vice president, Laolu Akande, Oga, he come outside, he come to say the plan, though they don't approve them, and now by the National Council of Nigeria, Abi Council on Nutrition Nigeria, all of them join. You see all of them come together, they get this meeting. Who do this thing to Nigeria, my people? Who do this thing to Nigeria? Now they come outside, they talk say they try reduce hunger. Una they try reduce hunger, but una still they hide Indomie. As ordinary as Indomie is, they still they hide them. Chai! The time where answers people go, I dey sure say many of una even hear that matter. Where answers people go that their storage, a big storehouse where they keep food. Una see amount of food where been there that place. See people where they talk about reducing hunger in Nigeria. No, even people as those people even go for that storehouse, they still want to attack them. But una they bring say una they Jesus Christ. See this matter now, una get less than 3 years. If I know the mistake, I be 3 years exactly. Una get less than 3 years for that seat where una sit down, and una they bring 5 years plan. Who una go sit down with for 5 years? Una never even start. If all these things where una they bring now to make sure say Nigerians when they get sympathy, say they get good plans, you know go work. Because we have already made up our mind. We are not voting for you people, and you people are not coming back to that seat. You understand? So if you get any other plan, any other strategy, start they bring them out, because this one don't fail. Since we una for bring hunger diminution, a big reduction of hunger, una no bring them. Now when una no say everybody don't they target una, 5 years will kill una for them. Una never see anything. If people if una know wetin good for una better not accept this thing. No accept am o. I don't tell now. No accept am. Now another plan for make una vote for them again. Now another plan. Okay, why they not say 3 years? Why 5? Una for wise up o. Wise up. Nigeria government. See, the period though una been the wise. They eat on top of our head. It don't pass. Now we don't stand gidigba. You understand? And we go still protest against this one. We never see anything. My people, now the matter be this 5 years of reduction of hunger in Nigeria. Wait till you think. Now good thing have been a bad thing. I want to know what to see. Make me discuss it for the comment section. You understand? Drop them there and make sure say you share this video. Make it go viral. And if you never subscribe, now me and you go fight to subscribe. You understand? Yes, I love you now. Don't go far. I will see you now later.